Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll show you how can you download all files from a Telegram group or channel. In order to do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So what you want to do is, first of all, you want to open up a browser. And next thing you want to do is type in web.telegram.com. When you type in the information, you'll be taken to this page. So what next you want to do is, right on this page, you want to go ahead and open up the particular chat page. Suppose, let's say, whether it's be it a group or a channel. And then what next you could do is, you could actually go ahead and press the link, and or else you could just go ahead and click on the file, and it's going to be downloaded automatically. Similarly, what else you could do is, if it is not happening automatically, then you could actually go ahead and select it, click on the three dot icon from the top right, and then you could find this option as export chat history, and you want to select the export chat history, and it's going to be downloaded automatically. You just have to make sure to select the format, and that's how you could actually go ahead and download all files from Telegram group or channel. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.